almost went for that. It's the poop museum or whatever. It's
really?
Japanese poop. But then it's like 28 bucks and it's only at like a specific time you can go. And I'm like, I don't even pay 28 bucks to pay poop to see
Yeah.
poop. Even though it's cute, I can. It's fine. It's probably really good, but it's fine.
Those scars lay in my bones. Ooh, how I see you.
Very nice, like the voice.
Yeah, sounds like Ed
quality.
Sheeran.
Yeah, I was gonna say something.
In silence.
Right.
Oh, I didn't realize it was actually the one that was taking me now.
Yeah, yeah. Cool. Oh, cool. This is huge.
There's a guy holding a chocolate walking stick. What are you looking at this thing?
Yeah, yeah.
It's like a giant thing.
Oh.
My Adam's apple.
Oh my god.
I don't have one.
I can see like through the hole.
Through the hole. I can see through the hole. It's like a dirty thing. It's so cute. Oh look, there's babushkas. Oh my god. Should we get some for Anya? For no reason, simply because she's...
It's not babushka, it's matryoshka.
Oh sorry, I saw babushkas. And I said
I
babushka.
think babushka means old lady or something.
I'm sorry.
I don't know what.
Oh my goodness, they're so well done. It's a sale. Oh my goodness, there's one for like the Mother Mary and Jesus and baby Jesus.
Yeah. Looks like a funny store. Chess paradise. So cool. Cool. Wow, so pretty. Oh wow.
Wow, there's a lot of people.
Escape. We just passed by escape and yet another escape. Crazy.
Just to show you that international students are a booming business,
Yeah.
that people can make so many buildings just for housing students.
Yeah. These people go.
Oh, it smells like fish.
Oh yeah. The entry is a fish market. This is yeah. And then if you want, we can buy some stuff.
Look at all the fish. They're just eating oysters there.
Now we're getting on the meat side. It smells good.
Oh, there's a scallop pie. Do you try a scallop pie?
Yeah, sure. Wanna get it?
I don't know. We can walk a little bit first. Peaches are. They're huge. They look so good. Oh, the
$18 a
figs.
box.
Oh my god, $15 a box of figs. I will eat the whole thing right now, man.
Yeah.
This is so cheap. Actually, this is so cheap. $15 a box is so cheap. I think last time my mom bought like a box of this to bring back to Malaysia from Perth. Earmuffs. Oh my goodness, look at this, baby. They're so cute.
Oh, cool.
Oh my goodness, look at it. Oh look, there's books and stuff.
Mary Martin bookshop.
Penguin.
What do you call this?
Burak. I'm probably pronouncing it wrongly.
Oh, hot. I think this is beef and onion.
You can take the other one instead. Damn, that looks so good. All the
Put
pasta.
this in the bag, okay?
I think we're supposed to cross there, weren't we?
Dancing event.
Huh?
Dancing event. Okay, let's go inside. Oh, whoops. Can't get away from the logo.
Yeah.
So cool.
So funny they put that so far.
Yeah, look at the dress. Oh, so cool. See, but it's not what I want to find. We are at the bottom level, we have to go up. So cute. You want a bun? so good.
Did you want to play?
Of course, but now it's time to walk. Also after that, no.
Really?
That is too good.
British, French and American forces were now attacking. A decisive blow was struck at the Somme on the 8th of August. Germany's Black Day, as General Ludendorff later described it.
This is a shrine of remembrance. It was built to commemorate the Victorians that served in the Great War. So what happens is there's a cover on the outside of that hole there, and they removed that on November the 11th because, of course, the Earth is in a different position to the sun every day of the year. So those gentlemen got together and they did 147 pages of mathematical calculations to work out where the sun was going to be. And so you would appreciate that.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's accurate for 5,000 years. So you consider the fact that we've got a leap year this year as an extra day of the year.
Yeah.
So even working that out to find out where that was going to be.